If you live in Japan and you take a photo with your phone here, then you will hear this sound. Hi, my name is Sachiko and I talk about all things related to social issues and motherhood in Japan. This happens even if your phone is on silent mode, so it's not a bug, it's intentional. Phones sold by Japanese carriers have that sound built in. Why? Well, Japan has a huge problem with secret photography in public spaces or trains, even today. So hopefully the clicking noise is a deterrent for the photographer and it can be a way to alert the victim. Not everyone loves it. I find it very annoying when I'm trying to take a picture of my daughter who is sleeping, but I'm afraid that the sound will wake her up. But at the end of the day, I do think that it's a fair trade because if that sound can help someone realize that they are being filmed without consent, then I think it is worth it. I personally believe that one person's safety trumps the comfort of masses, especially because this is not a safety issue for a single person. This happens widely to women and children. And if there is one thing you should know about me is that I firmly believe that if you are filming a child without permission from their parents, I think that you're a creep. So next time you find yourself being annoyed by the shutter sound of the camera, ask yourself why. Also, yes, I do know that there are ways that you can bypass it, but no, we are not going to be making a tutorial.